trying to get food quietly. Kept stealing somebody's food. See, campsite.
That was a good one.
That was fun. Anybody else learn how to do the cha-cha last night? Day 2. And our new friends, Limpy and Gimpy, but I have renamed them Cha-Cha and Foxtrot because I can't keep track of who's Limpy and who's Gimpy. They already headed out because we're a little faster than they are, so we hope to catch up, and then we'll see what the day brings. We have big plans to do 18 miles today, but all depends on how our bodies feel, right, Vic?
That's right, Sundial. So, really hard to see, but Lake of Clouds is one of my favorite views on the trail. Actually, that's my favorite view on the trail. Sundial! Alright, so I had to go in the woods to, fix a contact, and so Sundial hiked ahead, told me to catch up. So now let's see how long it's going to take to catch up, because it took me a minute to fix my contact.
And we're approaching the shelter for lunch. 8.3 miles in, a lot of climbing, and this is a very much needed pack-off break. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you.
'Cause you got a friend in me.
Oh my goodness, the view. This stretch is really hard and no views. So 12 miles so far today, almost 12 miles yesterday with only one overlook tower. So we're gonna go down here and see what's up. Pretty good payoff. Glad the sun's out because it's been flirting all day with rain. I was like, man, if we hike 12 miles in the green tunnel and get up there and there's nothing.
What you gonna do?
Keep walking. So this is just 0.2 up the trail, but on the other side, so the Blackstaff Cliffs, a little trickier to get to. A little confusing slide. I'm pretty sure even if it was currently storming, it would go this way. And then whenever I go by these holes, I just wonder who lives in there. So for the most part, I just keep on going by.
Okay, change of terrain.
A little more challenging, but more fun. And seems sort of rainforesty. So we finally climbed up to the part that is the ridge line. And we are starting to get rewarded with some wonderful views of North Carolina. Look at that. And on the other side, look at that. pines are cool on nice days. All right, if you started at Springer and you're standing at this point, you have walked 300 miles. Woohoo! Woo! All right, Limpy and Gimpy.
We're at 300.
And in honor of your big achievement.
Yeah.
Hike on! So we're almost there, and we're wondering if this is Big Butt.
Got a nice crack.
I like big butts and I cannot lie.
That thing's tiny.
We're on Big Butt.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Small butt, that is. Could be a good sunset.
And Vic likes ghosts. So let's see if we can go find any, because this is where we're spending the night. All right, the story is these are two Union soldiers who were visiting Confederate family, and they were killed. But people camp here. There's a fire pit, and there's a bit of a sunset, and we're exhausted. Good morning. Definitely what they call the Green Tunnel. It's a gorgeous day, and it got really dark in here. Wow. It's a pretty nice thing to come out of the woods too. What a gorgeous day.
Simmer down.
Slow down, friend. I want to take your picture. A little trail magic by a thru hiker class of, I think, 2007 for our one true view of the day. Beautiful. 1.8 to the hostel. We are walking into Sam's Gap, and turned out to be pretty close to 15 miles for the day. And Amy, who owns Nature's Inn Hostel, is on her way to get us. And now we get to get off our feet for a little bit, have the creek by the cabin by the creek. I'm really tired. It's a little bit after 4, so we're excited for a night of just chilling out. So this is the property. We're in cabin 1. And then looks like this is the bathhouse. There's a stinky hiker. That's Old Bessie. Old Bessie picked us up. Amy was driving. There's a hiker cafe in there, and the bunkhouse is down there. So, very peaceful property.
These campsites near beauty spot. They say beauty spot is just for reasons. So my goal is to leave Irving after my zero. And pretty much, Irving Naval Shelter is only 4 miles into the hike from Irving. Beauty spot, I think maybe 85.
This is a resupply room. So I've already picked up a few things, but gonna try to figure out how much food we have left. Yoo-hoo! Hey, Blue, you recognize these three? We got,
Dom.
Dom.
On the track.
How you doing, Steve?
and he just talked to you today, apparently. We run into people in the damnedest places. So we're here at Nature's Inn, or should I ask you, Feck, where are we?
At a hostel.
In what state?
Tennessee. As a
It
trick
is
question.
in Tennessee. It
That's
was a
right.
trick question because we're still hiking in North Carolina. But we just wanted to say hi because he's like, hey, do you guys do Ironman? Did you happen to be on a podcast? And we were like, yes, somebody actually listened to that episode. So
I mean, thousands of people listen to that episode.
Well, at least one.
Yeah, right.
and now Dom has a new subscriber, and there you go. Now we have somebody to follow when I listen to you. So good to see you at Trail Days. Thanks for recognizing us. How is it, Vic?
Feels good. Feels really good.
This is therapy right outside our cabin. Woo!
All right, so this is a little bit better than sleeping in a graveyard last night.
A little bit of a step up. We're at the Nature's Inn hostel, and this is our porch.
Right next to the brook.
That's my white noise for the night, in case any more ghosts snore while I'm trying to sleep.
I was saying that guy could have woke the dead last night. Would have been pretty scary.
Another awesome day, beautiful weather, really hard hiking.
Very hard hiking.
No views. One view.
Maybe 2.
But tomorrow we have a ton of climbs, a ton of views, and we're hoping for a beautiful day.
Oh, it's going to be a great day.
So we made some friends here at the hostel, including someone who came up to us and said, "Are you guys Ironmen?" And we're like, "Yeah." "Were you on Mighty Blue and Mighty Blue's podcast?" And we're like, "Yes." And he's like,
That depends. Did you like it?
So that was Dom Hikes the AT 2022, and he's being followed along with a few other hikers for the AT through hiker class of 2022. So he's being followed by Mighty Blue.
He's got a really cool story, so you should subscribe and listen to his whole story.
All right, that's awesome. So that was fun. That was our 3 seconds of fame. Woo, yay. All right, we are looking forward to a hard day tomorrow, but looking forward to relaxing sleep by the brook tonight. All right, good night.